Okay, kids. So this is Unit 7, Lesson 7. And this is volume of a sphere. So easy, y'all. You're just going to be like, oh, wow, this is so easy. It's 4/3 pi r cubed. And it's cubed because you're dealing with length and width and height. Okay, so it's 3-dimensional. So you know how I always like to rewrite things an easier way. So I'm going to rewrite this as 4 pi r cubed over or divided by 3. Because to me that makes it a little bit easier. So here's my sphere. And we know it's a sphere because it has all these weird little things. If it gives you a diameter, you cut it in half because you need to have your radius. Well, let's just say our radius here is 5. So we're just going to put this into a formula. 4, right, mark it off, times pi, 3.14, done. 5 is my radius, and I'm going to do it to the power of 3. Okay, it's the little mountaintop button on your calculator. And then you're going to press enter, and then you're going to divide that by 3. So let's do that. This is what we get. We say 4 times 3.14 times 5 to the power of 3, enter, and you get 1,570. Now we just take that and divide it by 3, and when we do, we get our final sphere volume, and it's 5.23.3. So let's do one more. We've got a sphere. Let's say it gives you a diameter of 6. What does that mean our radius is, guys? 3, because you take half of it. Here's our formula, 4/3 pi r cubed. That's what's on your reference sheet. So I like to rewrite it, 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So let's do it. 4. Boom. Pi, 3.14. Boom. Radius, 3 to the power of 3, and it's that little mountaintop button. Enter. Get your answer. Divide by 3. So let's see what that is. 4, parentheses, 3.14, parentheses, 3 to the power of 3. Enter. 339.12 or 0.12. Let's divide that answer by 3. And I get 113.04. 113 and 4 hundredths, or 113.04. That's it. That's all she wrote. Now, on the assignment, the last couple of questions, it says, if it's draining fluid, let's just say 15 gallons per minute. Okay, let's just say that. What that means is, okay, from this volume, since this is the volume, we're going to take away 15. Take away 15, take away 15, take away 15, take away 15, as many times until we get to 0. So basically, you could just keep subtracting and see how many times you subtract, or you can take 113 and divide it by groups of 15 gallons that it's, draining out. And if you divide that, you're going to get 7.536. So that just means that it'll take 7 minutes to almost be empty, but you would have to do 8 minutes for it to completely be empty, right? Because you would have this left at 7 minutes. So you'd have to have an extra minute in there to get all the rest of it out. So that's how you do it. You basically, if you're draining something, you're going to divide it by however much it's draining, because you want to see how many minutes is it going to take. And if it's a decimal like that, you probably need to do an extra minute to get the rest of it out. Okay, so good luck on that. I think it's going to be easy for you.